Hello, cocktail fans. This is the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. This is the place where we mix, muddle, shake, stir cocktail creations that I think you're just gonna love. Today we're continuing with our summer cocktail theme. Boy, we only got a couple more weeks left of it, I hate to say. So we're gonna just keep putting them out there, and I think you're gonna like this one. This one, well, it's an adult kickback to childhood. Just think of those hot summer days, you're riding your bike all over the neighborhood, and then lo and behold, you see that great big sign, 7-Eleven. Well, I think this is a cocktail. If 7-Eleven served drinks, this is the one they'd serve there. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. We're going to have a recipe card posted. And in the meantime, if you haven't done it yet, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you leave us a like. Make sure you leave us a comment. And hey, if you think you got a childhood pal that's going to love this one, share it with them. And let's get pouring that Cherry Lime Slushie. We're going to start off in a shaker with this one. And we've only got a couple of ingredients in here. Actually, we've got 5 ingredients in here. We're going to use vodka. We're going to use triple sec and orange liqueur. We've got some simple syrup. We've got some juices. So let's start throwing them together. It's cocktail time. Our first ingredient is Tart Cherry juice. We're going to use 1.5 ounces. I'm always telling you fresh is best, but if you got the time to squeeze cherries, you got more time than me. 1.5 ounces. Our next ingredient going in there is some freshly squeezed lime juice, and I said it, freshly squeezed, because fresh is best for your cocktails. We're going to use 1 ounce. We got our tart in there. Boy, we got a lot of tart. We got a lot of sour in there so far. So now what we're going to need to do is sweeten it up. We're going to put in there 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Equal parts sugar and water. Now, if it weren't for the next 2 ingredients, we wouldn't be calling me the Drunken Sailor. So we're going to start and put in there some triple sec. It's an orange liqueur. If you want, you can use triple sec, you can use Cointreau, you can use Grand Marnier, and we're going to put in there 1/2 ounce. Home stretch. We're going to use some vodka. Today we're using Sky Vodka, and we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. And like I say, don't have to write it down right now. You're going to see that recipe card at the end of the video. Those are all the ingredients that are going to go into our shaker. Now we need to chill it down and mix it up. We're going to use crushed ice on this today. Put the top on that, and let's shake it. And now we're going to get our glass. We're going to put this in an old-fashioned glass, and I want to fill this up with crushed ice. Now we strain. And all we've got left to do now is garnish. And to garnish, we are going to use a lime wheel with a cherry, maraschino cherry. We got the stem on this one. Just drop that on the top and on the side. And there you go, a cherry lime slushie. It's tart, it's sweet, it's cold, it's refreshing. It's better than that 7-Eleven slushie I used to get. Cheers, everyone.